Prabhu,
Hare Krishna.
what is your good name?
Alexander,
Alexander from
Russia.
Russia. So, how old are you? Age
36.
36. What is your health problem?
In the back,
Yeah.
in little
Pain.
because pain. In,
How long? How long?
Difficult. How long? 2 days.
2 days.
Days? No.
After heavy
Sit.
beverage.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and have this.
Shoulder.
This
Shoulder.
because very big weight of
Luggage.
I not luggage. It's in sport zone.
Sport.
Sport.
I take it's a big weight.
Yeah.
And
How long? How long this happen?
how long? Maybe 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
No, maybe not 1 week.
1 week. Okay. Okay, Prabhu.
This problem boलना
Maybe I feel because you
no
seem strong and I feel
it's
no.
normal. It's normal. You go gym.
Yeah, gym.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not here. No, I feel, but now I not feel. I feel that мышцы как бы по-английски.
Вот muscle muscle.
Muscle. Before muscle, I feel that to ill ноет.
Ага.
That's
No, some pain, a little pain.
a little pain, muscle, my muscle, and it's in back. But I feel this
Pain
bit.
before.
Yeah, but now I don't feel this.
Free.
Yeah.
Happy.
Yeah.
Арибо! Можешь сказать несколько слов благодарности.
Thank you very much.
Можно по-русски.
Спасибо большое.
Yeah, you want to say anything?
Спасибо большое. Я сейчас не чувствую, то я чувствовал, а по-русски я чувствовал боль в пояснице, именно такую ноющую, что они как будто болят, прям как ноют. А после того, как он промял именно ногу, вот именно чуть ниже колена, я действительно как будто бы уже не чувствую, это ноющее отошла, вот это такое как будто ноет, а я не чувствую.
Абхирам Прабху ки джай!